Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the ParseForge Copart Public Search Scraper on Apify to collect detailed vehicle auction data directly from Copart. This is useful for inventory sourcing, market research, and identifying vehicle investment opportunities. So, how does it work? First, head to Copart.com. For this example, we'll use the Vehicle Finder. Now here, you can set up any filters you want. For example, we'll set the mileage to 100,000 and the range from 2020 down to 2005. You can set up any filter you want and then search. Now, once you get this, you simply have to copy the URL and you bring it over to the scraper and paste it. You can choose the maximum number of items, let's say 100, and then you run it. It'll take a couple of seconds. After the run finishes, the results appear on the Output tab in this dataset table. Each row represents a vehicle and includes detailed fields like year, make, model, VIN, auction location, damage details, etc. You'll also see enhanced data such as build sheets, pricing intelligence, and dynamic auction fields that reflect the current bidding and sales status. You can also download the data as an Excel, CSV, or JSON file, which you can use in inventory systems, spreadsheets, or analytical workflows. This scraper is ideal for vehicle dealers tracking inventory, analysts monitoring market trends, or investors looking for data-driven acquisition opportunities. If you have any issues, please feel free to contact us. And if you like this scraper, please leave us a review. Thank you.